This how-to video will be about how to update the configuration on a call station, a powered one, once plugged into an outlet. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come here to your VT3000 core software. And then once you're here, where you want to be is under diagnostics and device stats. So you can select that here or use your icons. And essentially here's the call station we have. So for me, this is a brand new one. It does not have a configuration in it. So essentially all I want to do is come over here to the right hand side, right where it says options. I want to select that. And then from this menu here, I want to select my configuration. And then basically there's going to be this list. You can click down if you have multiple call stations. You can select whichever one you need. For me, it's just going to be this test call station 1. I'm going to hit update. And it's going to take it like 10 seconds-ish. And then now we should see it update with the name that we had selected. The other thing that you could see is if you were to go into your devices, and here's that test call station, and let's just say you wanted to make changes to it. So like this is button 1, so let's just say I wanted to rename that to team lead right here. And then when I'm going to hit save and exit, so now when I go back to my diagnostics and device status here, I'm going to see it has this little update icon. So basically it's saying that I made changes to the configuration, but the call station doesn't know those, so it doesn't have those changes yet. So all you want to do is just click on this update. And once again, same type of deal, takes like maybe 10 seconds. And then when you refresh, you'll see that that update is now gone away, which means that call station is completely up to date. This will conclude our video on how to update a call station configuration. Look forward to talking to you again.